What's up guys, DJ Roodz here, and today we're going to take a look at the Apeman A66 action camera. A lot of people are wondering, is it actually a $35 GoPro killer, or just another case of you get what you pay for? Let's find out. Okay, so originally I had gotten the Apeman A66 for my New Year's Eve gig in Brooklyn with Static Link. Unfortunately, it didn't come in time. On the plus side, that just gave me extra time to play around with it and do this review. The camera itself is pretty small, about the size of a camera battery, which means that it fits in the palm of your hand pretty easily. The A66 is actually a model step down from Apeman's top camera, the A80. The only real differences are that the A80 shoots in 4K and has built-in Wi-Fi, and the A66 shoots in 1080p and you have to connect it over USB. Like other cameras, the A66 relies on micro SD memory. Unfortunately, they don't ship the camera with a card, so I got this 32GB SanDisk one on Amazon. I'll post a link in the description. One awesome thing though is that they ship the camera with a lot of mounts and accessories, including a fully waterproof case. A great thing about it is that when the camera is in the case, you don't actually suffer a massive loss in image quality. Like GoPros and other action cameras, the A66 has an insanely wide field of vision. I'm talking like 170 degrees. I actually have the A66 mounted on top of my DSLR right now, so that way you guys can see the difference for yourself. As far as audio goes, there is an internal microphone, but personally, I'm not a fan. I would much rather use my Tascam DR40, or if I'm really in a pinch, the internal microphone on my T3i. Okay, so by now you guys should have a pretty good idea of how the A66 performs in well-lit environments like this one. Let's take a look at some footage from my bar gig this past weekend and see how it does in a not so well-lit environment. As you can see, the video is pretty clear for the most part, but it does get pretty grainy at times. On the plus side, because the Apeman is a generic camera, so to speak, you can very easily get extra batteries and other kinds of mounts and accessories on Amazon. Plus, some of them will even work with GoPros. Overall, for $35, I can't really think of a reason not to get the A66. It's a pretty low-cost, low-risk investment, and for the price I paid, I would argue that it exceeded my expectations. Whether you're using it as a B-cam, or a backup to a GoPro, or just an intro to the world of action cameras, I can't think of a reason not to pick up the A66. Let me know what you think though. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and check out my website, djroodz.com, where I recap gigs, review gear, and explore life and DJ culture as a full-time student and a full-time DJ in New York City. Thanks for watching guys, see you later.